Yo. Are you ready to ruin my shoes? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Hi. Today I am going to ruin my restore my AF1s. The cult favorite. Don't worry, they're washed. Believe it or not, it's the most comfortable shoe you can ever find. I know somebody might tell you that it's overrated, but believe me, it's not, because I wore it after 1 year because I had already ruined this and they were in no position to be worn again. I wore them for one of my videos. If you've seen something like a dress up video, I don't know. I wore these and I realized how much I loved them, because these are literally the most comfortable shoes that you can ever find. Should I do this video in Punjabi? I don't know, like let me know. Maybe I should. Chalo kar lene hain, Punjabi ch kar lene hain. No problem, I have no problem. I washed these 3 days ago, 3 din ho gaye. They took a really long time to dry. I didn't see any videos on how to do this, so we're just gonna wing it. Do color mile menu, white and brown hai, so everything that I own is going to be brown, like this. It looks like shit. If you've seen one of my videos, these are the vans that I wrote some stupid lyrics on these. When I found this brown color, bas inne bhi maade nahi hai. I think it looks fun. Chalo shuru kariye fir program, because the paint might get into my eyes, so thoda dhyan rakhna penda hai na. Okay, wait, idda karda ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਮਾੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ, can you see me now? Okay, ਜਿਹੜੇ shoes ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕਰੋ ਕੋਈ ਥੋੜਾ for a second, you can bear with me ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਚਲੋ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ. First I need to glue this is all coming out. Angle is so bad, I'm so sorry, लेकिन और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You'll have to manage. हो गया आ रही बाहर तो नहीं आ रही, आ गई. इधरों जोड़ना. I've not seen a single video on how to do this. You could possibly be ruining my shoes. ये पता, but YOLO. My mom hates these shoes because, वैसे to be frank, I was so desperate to buy these shoes that एक size ਵੱਡਾ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ क्योंकि ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਉਹੀ ਸੀ. ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਦਿਵਾਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਬਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੰਮਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਪੇਂਟ ਕਰਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ੂਜ਼. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਬੂਟ ਜੇ ਬਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ. ਤੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੇ ਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? ਇੰਨੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੈਂ. ਬੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਚਲੋ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਲੈ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਬੂਟ ਇੰਨੇ ਮਹਿੰਗੇ, ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ? ਪੰਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਥੋੜੀ. ਓਕੇ ਚੱਲ ਜੁੜ ਜਾ ਹੁਣ. ਮਤਲਬ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮਗਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਥ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੇਰਾ. ਚਲੋ ਬਈ ਜੁੜ ਜਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼. ਜੁੜਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੈਸੇ, ਟਾਈਮ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ. ਚਲੋ ਜੁੜ ਜਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਭਾਈ ਮੇਰੇ. ਮਾੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ. ਚਲੋ ਛੱਡੋ ਪਰੇ. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡੋ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਅੱਛਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਲਾਤਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਆਹ ਵਾਈਟ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ? I was thinking I'll spray paint it, but what if it ruins it, you know? ਚਲੋ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ. ਅਬ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁਣ? ਮੈਂ ਖੋਲਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਹਾਂ ਨਿਊਜ਼ਪੇਪਰ. ਲਿਖਦੀ ਨਾ? ਹਾਂ ਚਲੋ. This is the shoe and ਹੁਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ white. Something's getting into my eyes already. I think it's a Fevikwik. Oh shit. मेकअप सारा खराब हो जाना मेरा. जा रहा है. 1 2 3 start. Oh, I think it looks good. ये तो बढ़िया. They look pretty good. Yes. This is what it looks like so far. I think it's pretty good. This definitely needs to be painted more than once, because I had black marker, actually not even nail paint, black marker all over this, and yeah. Okay, we're gonna be alright. This 1D song is in my mind. It's like stuck in my head. Baby, gonna be alright. Hey, you're giving me a heartache. This is what it looks like. Pretty nice. Oh, and let this dry. बस जो चीज़ फिर उन्हें लगता खाने लिए आंदी. I'm kidding. Never talk to him like this. Okay, the paint has dried. Issue है कि I could use a paintbrush, you know, but I don't have one, you know. Honestly, they look good as new. But they look really good. Now I'm gonna let these dry, maybe put them outside here, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do after this. Till the time my shoes are drying, I have a story to tell you. Story nahi. Today is my mom's birthday, right? A little bit of a complaint about ferns and petals. So basically what happened is I ordered a bouquet. Okay, these are the flowers that my brother ordered. They're not good quality. Like sade je full page ne enane jina sasta one made full. I don't get this. And this bouquet was expensiver comparatively, and ode full bhi vadiya ne. And let's find a brush that I don't use. Ah dekho, दोनों बेंच ने लड़ते कितना. पागल जी. अंदर ना जे. ऐसे रख देंगे. This part is still a little bit like dark, that you can see that there was something here before, but I don't know if I want to fix that, honestly. So that actually looks pretty good, sort of. What if we have it all? Nobody will come. Maybe then you'd know me. That's nice, isn't it? I think so too. I think I should also do this. Also this. My dekho. बड़े वाला हाँ जी ए थल्ले बच्चे खेलते हैं ड्रोला बड़ा पाया इन्होंने ऐਵੇਂ घड़ी मुड़ी चलो कोई नहीं आही उम्र I don't know if I want to do the front. You know me. Okay guys, it's been a really long time and I am done with the shoes. This is the finished thing. To find out if I wear these, if I actually wear these, follow me on Instagram at andrea.e.gill. If you want to recreate these shoes, do it please. Bye. Thumbs up for my effort.